Yes, my people. It look like a rascal work out. Yeah, how you mean, Major Hype? You know, watch your video.
All that I've been there, my lad.
Yo, bro, I got some work. Shit about to be lit, son.
Yeah.
2021 looking up. You heard?
Let me see it. Want to see what?
Yo, smell this.
Let me see it.
No, son, just smell
What kind
it.
of fuckery that by my lad?
Cause you be on your bullshit. Just smell it.
Smell good.
Ah, I told you, son. Shit crazy what's going on with Major, though, right?
You hear me, my lad? Tell you to them talk there, you know. Me don't want to hear none of them fuckery there, you know. That me I tell you. Lord,
I'm
man.
just saying, son, I don't spread news or none of that. I just was reading what was going on.
All the while, the man that they give him joke and I inspire everybody and I try to keep the thing positive and I unite the place. Nobody never said nothing about the man. The minute somebody come out and say something, them take him side about cancel. Cancel on a mama. The blood clot do not talk about.
I don't know, son. That shit crazy, son.
Big disrespect them go on with that me I tell you. All the big sour blood clot girl from Canada. I run off her mouth to talk about the man come from and all them. So, where she know?
That's a fact.
Where she know the man from? Nobody know hear about her until she call me a drive name. She go suck her mama. The blood clot deal.
I'm just saying, it's crazy. They say, you know what I mean, homie, molestation part and all that, you know what I mean?
Give me a split for that me I tell you.
I got a split, chill.
The man say him go through something in his life. He never said nothing about sodomize and nobody touch him body. Some of you know where some people get them body argument from.
That's true.
Aren't you? Enough of them people have some secret to hide in the darkness and that's why them a point finger upon people. Judgment upon the whole of them. Lightning and thunder, that me I tell you.
That's a fact.
Give me a split, my lad.
I got a split in the car. I'll get you a split.
No, me I go with you, cause you go outside and go away. You think me I eat
I'ma get it.
and be back. No, me I roll.